Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the ice bucket from your Whirlpool fridge. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Whirlpool fridge that looks like this. How do you actually go ahead and remove the ice bucket in case you want to go ahead and place it into a cooler? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up your freezer side of the door, and then you're going to find your ice bucket on this side here. You're going to go ahead and pull it down and then go ahead and lift it up. So with it being lifted up, you can see right there. And then in order to go ahead and replace it, you just place it back and it should go ahead and realign just like that. You can push it forward until you hear a click. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your ice bucket from your Whirlpool fridge. All you've got to do is tilt it out and then go ahead and lift up to remove. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.